Welcome to Brain Vision.
So here in this question, firstly, the mass of gravel is 220, is 220 lbs lb per second into 4 seconds, and that is equals to 880 lb. Now, the total mass of the truck and gravel is the total mass of of truck and gravel is equals to 12,000 pounds plus 880 pounds, and that is equals to 12,880 pounds. Now, the net force on the truck, the net force on truck is equals to 380 pounds minus 200 pounds, and that is equals to 180 pounds, and that is equals to 180 pounds. Now the acceleration of the truck, the acceleration here, the acceleration of the truck is equals to the net force upon the total mass, the net force upon the total mass, and that is equals to 180 pounds upon the total mass, that is 12,880 pounds, and that is equals to 0.01387 feet per second square, feet per second square. And now, converting to meter per second square, we get acceleration A is equals to 0.01387 feet per second square into 12 upon 39.37, and that is equals to 0.0041 meter per second square. So the acceleration of the truck is 0.0041 meter per second square. So I hope this answered your question. Thank you.